Hi, Ralph here once again. Briefly, how to install packages for Python in Jupyter Notebooks. The trick here in regard to other types of code, let me just get this thing rolling real fast, is this little exclamation mark, which you'll install in front of very familiar code in regard to a lot of other notebooks. And as our packages are installing, what I'll do is show you another way to find this information out. You can go to Help, but don't click that Help there. Click the Help right there. And from that help, you're going to find how-to guides. And how-to guides, you can install packages in Notebook. And you'll see that the language is there as well. And as we go back to our original program, we successfully installed our Python packages in Jupyter Notebooks. Remember, the exclamation mark is the trick. Hope you guys found this information to use, and gals, and look forward to seeing you all later on. Catch you guys in a bit, and gals. Bye.